Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to remove the RAM. In some cases your cables or some other objects may be in the way, so you may have to either remove them or move them out of the way. In this case the RAM is actually fairly easy to get to, so we'll just leave everything intact and get to the RAM. First thing I want to point out that to remove RAM you have the tabs over here. 1, 2, sometimes you'll have 4 RAM bays. So you'll have 4 tabs. But to remove them, you want to apply pressure downward evenly on both sides until it releases. Once that's done, place your fingers on opposite sides of the RAM and wiggle them upward. This particular RAM has a heat shield on it, so I can touch it in here. Any of the copper parts of the RAM you don't want to touch. Also, you don't want to actually touch the RAM modules themselves. So if your RAM does not have a heat shield on it, you would not be able to touch this area. I'll set this one off to the side and we'll get to the next one. Same thing. Apply pressure down. It should give up. Move to the sides of the RAM and pull up so slightly, and there you have it. And that's how we remove RAM.